record right now. All right, here you go, guys. $10 bet bonus here. We got the jackpot and super jackpot blast bonus. So here we go. All right, let's hope something amazing happens on this one. All right, that's a $60 win. $10 bet bonus. Oh, what was that? Oh, shoot! Look at that, bro.
+2 plays.
Dude, we already won $200. Unbelievable. All right, Alex Debbie was messaging me. $25 win right there. All right, we got 4 more games remaining. Nothing's impossible, guys. We got to get some extra free games here. All right, a $50 win. So we already won like $300. All right, the mini. We need 1 more green one for the mini, 2 more purple ones for the minor. Nope. 2 more free games remaining. Come on. Oh! Oh! I had a firecracker thing. Oh, look at the $120 one up there. Babe, I didn't even see that. Yeah, I'm recording, babe, right now. Oh, babe, look. Oh, I didn't, babe, I didn't even know. All right, Debbie, she just said she just got a hand pay. All right, $485, guys. Not bad. All right, $485, guys. Not bad. $10 bet. Wow. All right, we'll do a couple more spins here, and then we'll be back on the very next bonus. Or maybe we're going to move on to another machine after this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hold on. Debbie just got a hand pay. We'll be back. All right, here we go, guys. We got another bonus on this crazy game right here.
That's 2.
All right, that's $20. All right, there we go. Hopefully we get 3 more free games. All right, $15. 3 more free games remaining. Nope, we didn't need that one.
+4 plays.
We got 4 extra free games, guys. Unbelievable. There we go. 3 more free games remaining. Alright, we already won $110. 2 more free games. We got 1 more free game after this. Alright, that's alright.
That's 2.
Times 2. Alright, that's like $140. Not bad. Alright. Yeah, it's like $140, guys. Alright. Alright. Let's go 10 cent denomination. Let's do. Oh no! Alright, $5 bet, guys. Debbie just showed up next to me here. Do a $5 bet, 10 cent denomination. Alright, we'll be back on the very next bonus. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Alright, got the super blast bonus now, guys. Alright, here we go. Well, we want to try and get one of those, little grenade bonuses there. We got 4 more free games remaining. Oh! spinning.
Plus 4 plays.
Oh, not 750 more. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, $20. Come on. All right, babe, we need one of those firecrackers right there. No, we need one of those, like, yeah, we need one of those bombs right there. Oh, come on, not 20 bucks. Oh, come on, baby. All right, we need a bomb. Oh, come on now. We need to get a bomb, babe. No bomb. $120 win. $120 win, babe, on the $5 bet. That's okay. Alright. Nothing on that one. That's a $22 win on that one. All right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, Debbie's playing next to me here. Debbie loves slots.
Hello. Oh my God, three.
Oh, hold on. She got 3 more screens. Start my bonus, babe. Press my button. Wait, hold on. Why are you trying to finish first before me?
What?
Start. You got to press my button. Start my bonus. All right, there you go, babe. All right, Debbie just pressed my button. Oh, look what you just did, babe. Look. You did something amazing over here, babe. Oh. All right, Debbie likes to press my buttons. Oh. The major times 2, babe. Oh, yeah. Times 2. Debbie loves pressing my buttons. Oh, yeah. Debbie loves slots, loves to press my buttons. Yeah, bro. Times 2. Oh, come on, baby. We got it, babe. Oh, $12.50 straight. Debbie just won a $25 mini right next to me here. Oh,
Times 2.
yeah, that's $30. Oh,
Times 2.
babe, I won $132 already. Thank you, babe. Thanks for pressing my button. You're welcome, she says. I didn't know I had one more left, bro. Oh! Ah! $192 win? Oh, yeah!
Sweet Clementine.
Sweet Clementine. You gotta say that, baby.
Sweet Clementine.
Sweet Clementine.
I can say it like
Unbelievable, guys. Well, I'm having fun here playing Alex on one side of me, Debbie on the other side of me. Unbelievable, guys. Well, we'll be back on the very next bonus. Thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate it. All right, we got another bonus, guys. Ultra Blast bonus. Here we go. Babe on a $5 bet. 10-cent denomination. Look at this. Unbelievable.
Oh, times 3.
Yep. $20, guys. All right, we got to do better than this. We got 5 more free games ready. Oh, come on.
Times 3.
Oh, I didn't even know that was times 3. Oh, look, there's a $90 one times 3. Then there's a $90 one times 3. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, 2 more free games.
Plus 2 plays.
2 more free games, baby. No.
Times 3.
All right, that's only $15. We can do better. That $90 times 3, that's what we need, babe. $90 times 3. Ah! All right, we got 2 more games already.
Did I get all 3?
Yeah, you got all 3. Oh, yeah! My friend Alex got all 3 on a $1 bet. Oh, so we just got to win the next meeting. All right, guys, that was $95 win. We'll do one more spin here. Yeah, do it, bro. My friend Alex got a bonus right next to me here. Get it, bro, get it. He got the triple pop. Alex got the triple pop. Get it, bro. On a $1 bet, right? 1 cent denomination.
Ready? Times 2.
Get it.
Oh, they got 2 now.
Oh,
Times 2.
we're gonna watch Alex's bonus for a minute here.
Oh no.
Since he got the triple. Oh,
Let's get the grand.
get it, bro.
Oh,
Oh, he's got a couple more free games going on this one.
yeah. That was horrible. Oh, one away from the grand.
One away from the grand up top, guys.
That was the first one.
Yeah, that was trash, bro. All right, guys. Well, we'll be back on the very next one. Thanks for watching. All right, we got another bonus on this one, guys. Debbie just left to go get a hot chocolate. Here we go. It's a $5 max bet. 1 cent denomination, $5 max bet. All right, so we won $15 already. Yeah, we've been stuck in this machine for a while, guys. Oh, come on. All right, we only won 30 bucks so far, about 30 bucks. Oh, there we go. Look at that. 4 more games. Unbelievable. Yeah, you said get that bomb, bro. Alex told me to get that bomb. Oh, there we go. We got that bomb. Oh, look, $20, bro. All right, we got 3 more games remaining. We already won 122 bucks on a $5 bet, 1 cent denomination. Another 20 bucks. About 150 bucks so far. We got 2 more games remaining. 150 bucks so far. Here we go. All right, there we go. Look, $57 bucks, bro. $25 bet, guys. Wow! Dynamite Pop Blue Blast. Wow, 167.50. Not bad. We got 13.50. So unbelievable. My friend Alex and I, we've been playing on this machine for what, an hour? No.
Probably.
Yeah, probably close to 2 hours, guys. Oh! Yeah, very next spin. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Unbelievable. Hit it, bro. Hit it. Hit it. Very big spin, guys. Wow. Oh, yeah, we got the multiplier. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Fight. Oh. 15 bucks. Another 15 bucks. Not times 2, but that's all right. We got 4 more free games remaining, guys. No, times 2.
Times 2.
We already won 40 bucks on the very next spin. All right, another 750. 3 more free games remaining. $5 times 2. All right, I won 57 bucks. Another 10 bucks straight. Last free game. Come on, we gotta get extra free plays. Times 3. Yes. 90 bucks, guys. On the very next spin. That was the very next spin, bro. Backup spin. That wasn't even a few spins later. Look, 1442 in the machine. I'm back up over where I started on this machine after maybe a couple hours on this machine. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate your support. Find a machine that's paying, guys. Earn all your points in the casino. I'm telling you, it works. Look, my friend Alex just got on a dollar bet. He got the all three ones. Get it, bro. Now, get it now.
Alright, multipliers.
Unbelievable, bro.
We're gonna wait.
Got 7 free
Come
games.
on, times 5. Don't be stingy. Times 3. Okay?
Oh, get it, bro.
Times, oh, the plus. Ready?
Get it, bro.
$23. Oh, times 3.
All right, watching my friend Alex's bonus here. He's got 4 more free games already.
Oh, we're looking at the range. Oh, times 3.
Get it, bro.
Oh, down.
There you go. Oh, did you get all those?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Ooh. All right, you already won like 70 bucks.
67.
All right, there you go.
Oh, I got one more. Another
Get it now.
$6.
Not bad, bro.
Cheap single then.
There you go. All right, we'll be back, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, I've literally been on this game like 2 hours now. I've been going up and down like $200 or $300 at a time. Unbelievable. Another $5 bet bonus, 1 cent denomination. I've been changing my bets around. $20. There we go, guys. And we have one. All right, we got to get that $50 miner. Oh! Another $7.50 right there. I have not hit that $50 miner yet today. All right. Another $10. We got 4 more free games remaining. Oh, hold on, guys. You got it? Thank you, brother. Yeah, thank you. All right, another $15. We got a couple more free games remaining. Oh, 2 more extra games, guys. Unbelievable.
Plus 2 plays.
All right, here we go, guys. All right, we need 1 more for that $50. Ah, $15. We're gonna get that $50 miner, guys. Oh, $25. All right, we got 1 more extra game here. Come on. Yes! Yes! 3 more games. Unbelievable, guys. Well, we got 1 to the mini.
Plus 3 plays.
All right, got 3 more extra free games. 30 bucks. I've been winning an average of 150 bucks every time I've been doing this $5 bet bonus. All right, 750, 140 we won already. We gotta do better than that. Another $5. We got 1 more free game remaining, guys. Oh, that's it. That's not bad. 150 bucks. Remember, always tip your cocktail servers. Yeah! All right, so last time we had a back-to-back bonus again. All right, guys. It's always been a couple $100. All right. Let's go 10 cent denomination. Let's do a couple $5 bets. All right, we'll do a couple more spins here. But of course, guys, I will be back on the very next bonus. Anything else? My friend Alex thought he had some money. Hey, what's up, baby? Anything? Ooh, that looks good, babe.
I know.
Can I have a bite?
Yeah, I got the rest of it for you.
There you go.
You can eat the rest.
How can you do it?
Yeah.
Debbie just bought me something amazing. What is this? It's good, babe.
It's a ham and Swiss croissant. Heated.
Debbie just gave me a ham and Swiss croissant, babe. A ham and Swiss croissant right here from Starbucks. Babe, these machines have been awesome, babe.
I know. I see
We've
it.
been up and down on these machines for a couple of hours, babe.
I know that.
I mean, they've been giving us like a couple $100 every time. Unbelievable, guys.
This is a fun one. Help me win.
Really?
What if I have a nice?
You want to take it? You don't know that. You don't know that.
All right.
He asked me what. I said it.
Mike, here's a $5 one, bro.
Oh. I can't go again.
Try English, guys.
I had no soul.
It's okay. It's okay. All right, we'll be back, guys.
Cinnamon and gravy. It's the super ultra blast.
Sweetie, can you hit my button, please?
What?
Can you hit my button? I know you like to press my buttons, babe. Babe, look
What's
at
the pliers?
Debbie.
What's the pliers?
Debbie loves to press my buttons, guys.
Oh, that's sweet.
Press it, babe. Hit it.
Debbie.
All right, we gotta do better. We gotta do better, babe. We gotta hit a firecracker. Firecracker. All right. Let's. Oh!
Task 2. Task 3.
Oh! Oh! Debbie said do it myself. Unbelievable. Wait, you've never seen it times 2 times 3, right? Times 2 times 3? That was crazy. Oh! Look!
Task 2.
Babe, look at that. $135 already. Unbelievable! Ah! 150. It's always about 150 when you get it on a $5 bet.
Thank you, babe.
Thanks for pressing my buttons. All right, there we go, guys. $160 win on the $5 bet bonus. This game is fun, babe. This game is fun. All right. I love this game. Alex loves this game. Debbie's learning to love this game.
Oh, Debbie.
All right, we're back. Yeah.